Creed Boyd, who's, oh, look at that little guy, 1 month old now. Just old enough to fit into Santa's arms.
All right, we got the Swartz family. They are from Girard. We've got Kate, who's 7, and Colin, who's 3, and Koopa. Cooper's just at 5 months. That's his first big with the big man there. Beautiful picture by the Swartz family.
All right, next up we have the Blessant family from Pittsburgh. Age 6 years old is Bentley Blessant, and Branton Blessant is 2. Aww.
One more to pass along, and that is the O'Brien family. We've got Mason, who is 10, and Amelia, who is half that. Amelia comes in at 5 years old, and I hope you guys had a wonderful time visiting with Santa. And of course, a special thank you to our good friends at the Christmas shop for ushering in the big man and letting the kids have a chance to let him know what's on their wish list this holiday season.